Extreme Supreme Cut! This time we made 20 bloopers. First of all, we made another color blooper. Secondly, we made a background color blooper. Third of all, we made a font blooper. Fourth of all, we made a font blooper on a TVO text. Fifth of all, we made another fan-made language blooper. Sixth of all, we made a software blooper. Seventh of all, we made a glitchy blooper. Eighth, we have a different letter. Ninth, we have a different uppercase letter. 10th, we have a different letter in the TVO text. 11th, we have a fan-made letter in the TVO text. 12th, there's a different symbol in the TVO text. 13th, Hubble logo is here again. 14th, we have a different letter and still floating. 15th, we have a fan-made letter and still floating. 16th, we have a 16 number. 17th, we have a 17 number. 18th, we have an 18 number. 19th, we have a 19 number. And 20th, we have a 20 number. Done! Done! Done!